Sridhar from Willntrix Training Institute. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to manage the columns in Power Query. Managing is nothing but it is just a matter of removing the columns or going to a specific columns or choosing the columns. Okay, so here I have taken a data set and I want to create a report from this. That report is not dependent on all the columns of this table. Instead, it is dependent on only specific columns. Now, whatever the required columns are there, so we have to keep it, and unwanted columns we have to remove them. In order to remove them, why we have to remove them? That is a question. The main reason is if you keep unwanted columns in the table, then it is going to increase the size of the report. So if the size of the report increases, obviously directly or indirectly it is going to affect the report performance. Okay, so that is the reason we have to get rid of those columns. Then how to do it, how to remove it, and how to keep only required one? For that we have different ways. Let me teach you one by one. Let me go to this home tab. Under home tab you have this remove column, and then under that remove columns, for example, I just want to get rid of some columns. Let us say I just don't want product category, and then I don't want product subcategory. Let us say consider. And now you just have to select both the columns and then go to remove columns. Just click on remove columns. So those two selected columns will be get deleted. Understanding? This is how you can remove the specific columns. Again, if you want to get it, so if you want to undo the action, then just click on this cross button. That's it. Next, you have one more option, that is remove columns. Under remove columns you have remove other columns. Let us say here, apart from this sales and then this order date, order ID, apart from these three columns I don't want any other columns. If that is the case, what you can do, just go to this and remove other columns. Apart from these three, remaining every columns are get deleted. Okay, and I want to do undo. Now you have one more option, that is choose columns. So instead of going to each and every column and selecting it, what you can do is you just click on choose columns. It will give us the list of all the field names. From that field names you can select the required columns and then unselect the unrequired one. So for that, let us say I want order ID, order date, then sales, and then okay, so let me take this order quantity also. So I want only these four. Apart from that I don't want any. So we just unselect all and select only these four, then do OK. Only those four column names will be reflected. Apart from that, everything will be get deleted. Okay, and if you want to undo this, just click on it. And then you have one more option, that is go to column. Go to column in the sense, sometimes you will be having hundreds of columns in the table and you want to go to a specific column of the table. So for that, what you can do is, instead of scrolling it horizontally and looking at the column names, okay, so it would be a time consuming way. Instead of that, what you can do, go to choose columns and then go to column. From that, let us say I want to go to a region column. Just click on OK. Now it will take you to a region column. Okay, this is how you can manage your columns in Power Query. I hope you understood, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.